Overview of B.Sc in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, AME. B.Sc in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, AME. A B.Sc in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, AME, is a specialized undergraduate program that combines the fundamentals of aviation with practical training in aircraft maintenance. This degree equips students with the theoretical knowledge and hands-on skills needed to ensure the airworthiness and safety of aircraft. Program Overview. Number 1 Duration, typically 3 to 4 years, depending on the institution and country. Number 2 Focus, 1. Theoretical understanding of aerodynamics, propulsion systems, and avionics. 2. Practical skills in inspection, maintenance, and repair of aircraft systems. 3. Regulatory standards and compliance, e.g. FAA, EASA, DGCA requirements. Key subjects covered. Number 1. Core subjects. 1. Aerodynamics. 2. Aircraft materials and structures. 3. Propulsion systems, jet and turbine engines. 4. Avionics systems, navigation, communication, and flight instruments. 5. Aircraft electrical and hydraulic systems. 6. Human factors in aviation safety. Number 2. Regulatory and safety studies. 1. Airworthiness standards and certification, FAA, EASA, DGCA, etc. 2. Aviation laws and regulations. 3. Quality control and safety management systems. Number 3. Practical training. 1. Hands-on experience in aircraft maintenance labs. 2. Exposure to maintenance, repair, and overhaul, MRO, environments. 3. Training in diagnostic tools and maintenance software. Number 4. Optional specializations. 1. Airframe and power plant maintenance. 2. Avionics maintenance. 3. Advanced composite materials. Eligibility criteria. Number 1. Academic requirements. 1. Completion of high school, 10+2, or equivalent, typically with a focus on physics, chemistry, and mathematics, PCM. 2. Some universities may require entrance exams or minimum grades in science subjects. Number 2. Medical fitness. Candidates may need to meet certain physical and medical fitness standards as per Aviation Authority guidelines. Career prospects. Graduates of A.B.Sc in AME program are well prepared to work in various roles within the aviation and aerospace industries. Number 1. Aircraft maintenance engineer. Perform inspections, repairs, and maintenance on aircraft to ensure safety. Number 2. Avionics technician. Specialize in maintaining and repairing electronic systems. Number 3. Quality control engineer. Monitor and ensure compliance with aviation safety and quality standards. Number 4. MRO specialist. Work with maintenance, repair, and overhaul organizations. Number 5. Aviation safety inspector. Conduct audits and inspections for regulatory compliance. Number 6. Further studies or licenses. Pursue advanced certifications such as an aircraft maintenance engineer license, AMEL, or further specialization in aerospace engineering or aviation management. Key employers. Number 1. Airlines. Lufthansa, Emirates, Delta Airlines, Air India. Number 2. MRO companies. Lufthansa Technik, Airworks, GE Aviation. Number 3. Aerospace manufacturers. Boeing, Airbus, Lockheed Martin. Number 4. Government and defense. National aviation authorities, military organizations. Advantages of pursuing A.B.Sc in AME. Number 1. Global recognition. The skills and certifications are highly valued worldwide. Number 2. High demand. Aircraft maintenance is an essential aspect of the aviation industry. Number 3. Career stability. Opportunities in both civil and military aviation. Number 4. Technological exposure. Work with advanced systems and cutting-edge technologies. Challenges. Number 1. Licensing requirements. Many roles require additional certifications and licenses beyond the degree. Number 2. Work environment. May involve long hours, shift work, and high responsibility. Number 3. Regulatory compliance. Adherence to strict safety and procedural standards is mandatory. Future trends. Number 1. Digital transformation. Integration of AI, IoT, and predictive maintenance technologies. Number 2. Sustainable aviation. Maintenance of green technologies like electric and hybrid aircraft. Number 3. Global expansion. Increased demand for qualified AMEs due to growing aviation markets in Asia and the Middle East. A B.Sc in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering is an excellent choice for individuals passionate about aviation and technology. It offers a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical training, opening doors to a variety of career opportunities in a critical and ever-evolving industry. For more information, call us on +91 8800 66 3006 or visit our website www.amecet.in.